Well, good morning.
To touch bases with you all early this
This
morning.
I'm
I'm going to
be
be
preparing the 6 a.m. trade
trade setup
setups
scenarios
that
that
may
may happen
happen
and
and
present
present themselves.
themselves today.
Currently,
Currently,
it's
it's
5:13
5:13
a.m.
a.m.
in
in
the
the
morning,
morning,
and
and
I'm
I'm
in
in
a
a
few
few
trades
trades
already.
already. Uh, so I'm
So I'm
just going
just
to
going
give you an
to
overview
overview quickly.
quickly. Uh, but
But
more
more
importantly, encourage you
encourage you
to
to
continue
continue
to learn and
and
trade
trade
responsibly.
responsibly.
I just
Reduce
reduced some of the
the
lipstick on the
color
chart. Right now I'm on a 15-minute chart, time frame charts
chart
in my demo
demo
account
account
that I
that I
use
use
for
for
teaching
teaching.
and training. And
And
we're
we're
looking
looking
at
at
the
the
NASDAQ
NASDAQ
futures
futures
E-minis today.
today.
As you
As
know,
you
at
know, at
TopDownTraders,
TopDownTraders,
I
I
focus on the
the
NASDAQ,
NASDAQ.
and I also look at
Also,
other
other
companies
companies
within the
within the
NASDAQ
NASDAQ.
family. I've been
Been
recently
recently
watching
watching
SpaceX
Space
since it joined the family on the
family
12th of this month, of last month,
last
that
month.
is. So now I'm just
Just
marking, annotating my
annotating
charts
my charts
based on the
on the
sessions,
sessions.
previous sessions. And shout
Shout
out
out
to
to
TopStep. They
TopStep.
just added some
That's
other
another
little
little
indicators that
indicators
I
that I
use
use
also in
also in
TradingView
TradingView
on my
on my
other
other
platform.
platform.
And
And
now I'm
now
glad
I'm
they
glad
transitioned and
and
updated
updated
some of their features.
features.
Okay,
Okay, so
so right now
now
we're
we're
on
on
the
the
15-minute
15-minute
chart.
chart.
We are
We
at
are
electronic
like
trading
trading
hours. That will be switched
switched
over
over
to
to
regular
regular
trading hours
hours
at
at
9:30
30
Eastern
Eastern
Standard Time.
time.
With that
That
regular
regular
trading
trading
hours
hours
in
in
mind,
mind,
I'm going
I'm
to
going
bring
to
your
bring your
attention
attention
to this
to this
liquidity void, aka
aka
opening
opening.
gap. Since
Since
that
that
portion there
portion
has
there
been filled,
filled,
and I'm
and
going to take this
it's
out
out
to
to
not Monday the
the
13th, not Thursday
Thursday
the
the
9th,
9th.
not Wednesday,
Wednesday
this
is
Tuesday the
Tuesday the 7th.
7th. I'm
I'm
just going
just
to take it out
out
to
to
next
next
Monday,
Monday,
the
the
6th,
6th,
at
at
$1,500,
$1,500,
$1,600.
$1,600.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
this
this
is
is
a
a
regular
regular
trading
trading
hours
hours
gap in
gap in
price.
price.
It does not have to go
Go
all
all
the
the
way
way
out.
out.
So
So
let
let
me
me
change that
change that
extension.
extension.
But
But
it
it
is
is
the
the
open regular
regular
trading
trading
hours
hours
opening
opening.
gap. I'm going to lock
Lock
that
that
in
in.
so I can
I can
remove around here pretty
pretty
easily.
easily.
Again, this is the 15-minute
15-minute
chart.
chart.
I'm
I'm
going
going
to
to
annotate
annotate
these
these
areas
areas
here
here
because
because
that's where
where
liquidity is
liquidity is
resting
resting
right here.
right here.
There
There
is
is
some liquidity here.
here.
And
And
I'm
I'm
not
not
going to call it, I'm going to call
gonna
this
call
one
this
a
one
point
a
of
point of
interest,
interest,
okay?
okay?
So
So
it
it
may
may
get
get
there
there
today,
today,
it
it
may
may
not.
not.
It's
It's
good to
good to
know
know
where those areas are
are
and
and
have
have
them
them
identified
identified
before.
before.
Uh, I just
I
had an
just had
order
an order
filled,
filled,
so
so
what did it do? Did it profit? Let's
let's
see
see
what,
what,
I
I
don't
don't
even
even
know
know
what
what
it
it
did.
did.
Let's
Let's
see
see
what
what
it
it
did
did
real
real
fast.
fast.
Forgive me a
Give me a
second. Let
second.
me
Let
go
me
to
go to
chart
chart
data,
data.
go
Go
to
to
my
my annotation.
annotations, and see what just happened.
Happened.
While I was talking
Talking
and
and
animating the chart, I
I
was
was
in a
in a
trade,
trade,
and
and
with
with
the
the
annotations
annotations
on,
on,
uh,
uh,
here we
here,
go. Annotations on this
annotations
chart.
on this chart.
Go down to the 30
30
seconds, see what
seconds.
happened. But as I was
As I was
saying,
saying,
I'm
I'm
preparing
preparing
for the 6:30 opening bell. As you know, here at Top Down Traders, I specialize in the opening bell. What are we doing here? $10? Wow. Okay, so we got out of this trade. So I made an entry here, so it took off, got out right there. So now I know what it did. Alright, so I took profit. I'm seeing this wick here. This wick here is going to be an area of interest. You do see a power 3 on that lower time frame candle, which could measure a pullback. This should go all the way out to, there's the second. And we're going to have the opening bell right here at 9:30. So this is all pre-market open information that you see in detail with now. So all this area is before the opening bell at 9:30. So I'm going to let you guys know what I do in the mornings. I'm going to lock that. I'm also going to go to my 10 lit, 1800s, that's the Asian session. And then we have the 9:30 London open. Okay, so the question becomes right now, if I wanted to make a trade right now, I would be concerned about this entire range in price. This is the London high, the London low, and in between, the 50% level is pretty much where they're here. No, it's a little busy, but it's here. Interesting enough is where that fair value gap was on another time frame. But anyway, what I see on the 3 minutes, it's not really what I like to see at the top. Let's see, 15 minutes. This is a little better. And get rid of those trades that I did. Chart data, get rid of that. Again, this is a demo account I used to trade and to teach out of. I'll be in my other account here shortly as I prepare for the day. Okay, so on this 1 minute chart, I am going to annotate this here. This I'm going to take a sell here. I'm going to take a sell here. And somebody might have asked me, why are you going to take a sell there? Because of this cluster, this range in price. It could extend further to the upside, but on the higher time frame, on the 15 minute, we have this wick here, and in 7 minutes this candle will close, and I should have waited for that to close, jumped in a little early, but I'll go ahead and put a protective stop of that wick. But I'm looking for prices to go a little lower. We have a fair value gap here to there. I have a 15-minute fair value gap here somewhere. There it is. So I'm anticipating price to come push to the downside, only because of this wick. But it would have been better if I had been patient waiting, but I'll risk $52 since I'm already up $1,300. Interesting, you put levels here, and that's not a fair value gap. But, all depends on who you code it. So here's the fair value gap on a different time frame. And I wouldn't want to go off for too much. Maybe here, let's see how to trade out. But it's close to the 70 to the 618. I'm going to rotate this Fibonacci tool. Like that. And this is a different strategy that comes in, that I'm using right now. This is a different strategy that comes in your higher tier level, your level 2 training. So it didn't go in that direction. So I got stopped out, but I didn't risk a whole lot of that trade. We have another entry here. What that is. So today, I'm going to be looking for a more bullish momentum and approaching this regular trading hour gap. So we're going to have today I'm anticipating a gap fill day. That would be my assessment today. I'm going to enter that trade a little early. So that would be my assessment for today. I'll recover that $52 in this trade. Well, there it is, covered already. But anyway, so your first level will take profit this quarter, 32.222. Taking out these highs. We might get a little stall there, but if not, I'm looking forward to it taking out this high and then this high sometime during the day. Possible. But with trading, you have to manage your trade. So make sure you manage your trade. And here's my daily outlook for the opening bell. TopDownTraders. Thank you all for tuning in. Happy trading. Start small, be consistent, practice. Practice makes improvement. So, have any questions, please put your comments in the chat. Post your comments, your wins, your losses. Let's talk about trading. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.